Hello and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are taking apart the electronic shroud on the windshield of a 2023 Volkswagen ID.4. This is a new one. We haven't done one of these yet, so let's get started. First and foremost, you can see your line right here that separates these two panels. This one is solid. There is no seam in the back or underneath, so this one does not split. We're going to take our WRD TRT, our trim removal tool. We're going to put it right in that seam right there, and we're going to give this a twist and get this to slide inside there, and then give it another twist to pop that open. And then we are going to do the exact same thing on this side. Give that a little bit of a twist to get that to slip in, and then give it a twist, and that pops that guy loose there. We're going to rotate our mirror down so we can slide that guy out. And then this one, we are going to push it down towards the dashboard like so, and that is going to release that. So, and then this guy, you have to find the right angle and finagle it around the edge of the mirror like so to slide that off. And we're sliding this one down because this one has these two big bars right here that actually hook into these, and then our little pins up here that slide up into our locking mechanism up here. So do not just pull down on this one and start breaking stuff. And then after that, we are going to take our mirror, typical Audi / Volkswagen fare, twist off with the 4 prongs, slip that out, set it in the cup holder, keep it up towards the front. Going to grab our ever-present screwdriver, and we're going to use these little slots on the side of our metal keeper for our rain sensor, and we're going to give it a little pressure with our thumb there. And then once we got the blade of our ever-present screwdriver in there, we're just going to pull this direction. So push on it, give that a little pull, and that'll release that. Then we're going to apply some nice even pressure here to try to get this guy to let go like so, and we can pop that loose. And looks like we lost quite a bit of our rain sensor, but the upside is we don't necessarily have to put on a whole new rain sensor. We can patch this with our QC4, so we'll deal with that later. Going to remove all of our little cables here, get these out of the way, unplug this guy here like so, and then that is free. And then we've got our camera here, which snaps in over on the side over here. Got to push this back to get that to release off that ledge there. And we got one up here as well. Get that to let go. Pull down on that like so, and then slide it over. You can see the blade on this side that tucks into that little pocket right there, and then our little stainless springs here that keep these two tabs in place. It was a pretty lightweight one. We got no damage on our lens, so we're just going to let this guy hang right there. And that is pulling all of your electronics off of a 2023 Volkswagen ID.4. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.